back again. Revenge of the Mummy.
Souls are mine! For all eternity.
Will that make any difference? Yeah, yeah.
Souls are mine!
Find the book of the rivers and kill Imhotep. It's your only hope.
Silence! You will never find the book. Your souls will be mine for all eternity. Serve me and say beyond measure. Or refuse and savor. I'm dead beyond now. Never find the book. Your end shall be my beginning. Behold your fate. Your souls are mine. Without this book, you will never stop me. Prepare to forfeit your soul.
I really do like this ride. This is good.
I will escape. grab it, wouldn't you?
Look, the shop's back. After a long time, no shop. It's finally back. Get myself some earrings. Well, that's one thing that's new, is the shop's back. After the mummy ride. That was gone for ages.